So right now I only have the home page, as you can see right here. But what I can also do is add in multiple pages and make it a multi-page website. So to do that, over here in pages, you can go ahead and click, and then you can go ahead and click on manage pages. And around over here, you can see that add new page is an option. Go ahead and click right here, and you can go ahead and type in whatever you want and then click on the check mark button, and another page gets added in just like this. You can go around and add another page right here, and let's say for example type in contact right here. You can go ahead and type in profile right here just like this, and you can even go ahead and click and drag to rearrange out the page as you like right here just like this. And if you were to go around and click on each one of these pages, you can see that they are empty. So you do need to go back right here, and then around over here you need to click on add new section and add new section just like this right here. You can go around over here onto profile right here, and then let's say for example add a new section and then add that in right here as well. You can go to contact, let's say for example add a new section, go to contact and forms, let's say for example, and add that in right here just like this as well. So this is actually a pro layout right here. So let's just go ahead and then remove this out right here, add a new section, and let's say for example I'm going to go ahead and add this in right here. So once that is done, let me just go ahead and preview out the site right here. And once you do that, you will be able to see the different pages. You can go ahead and click about, you can go to profile, contact, and then you get to the different pages right here just like that as well. So that is how you can go ahead and add the page and even reorder it as you like inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.